Hi guys, welcome to back. And after update your systems drivers is restore. So how to back and how to update the driver. So guys, first method, right click to Windows icon and go to device manager. First of all, you have to click on this. So first click to this icon, scan for hardware changes. Okay. Then guys, extract one by one folder. This is for mic. Okay, right click to update driver, search automatically update. Okay, and then for speaker update, search automatic update online like that. Then display driver, extract display driver and right click to update driver, search automatically, select this one. And if you have a driver, so you can install the manual also. Okay, which then monitor also, try same, and network. Okay, this is 100 mbps, this is LAN driver, close. And if you getting some like error type, so right click to update driver and search automatically. Okay, and if you showing some error like it not be update and installed, so guys select this and uninstall like that, and then again go to click. Okay, then restart your system and then will be okay, forcefully restart after